Back in 2019, I went for an insurance policy and I was flagged. They stated that there was an issue with my heart, and the person that I went to see said, you may want to go see a specialist. Hi, my name is Alejandro Martin. I'm 55, and 2 years ago I was diagnosed with mitral valve prolapse.
When I think about the mitral valve and I describe it as saloon doors that open to allow blood flow from the lungs into the heart. Commonly, a condition called mitral valve prolapse can exist where the leaflets of the valve actually dome excessively. And as a result of that doming, you can develop a leak called mitral regurgitation.
I became a Newark police officer. I had 24 years in my career, with 18 of those were with the SWAT team.
In Alejandro's case, he's an incredibly fit gentleman. He's taken great care of himself. And all he had really been feeling was occasional palpitations. Those palpitations plus the demands of his work had led him to a workup where they noticed that he had severe mitral regurgitation. He required a mitral valve repair. Despite the fact that the dysfunction of his valve was fairly complex, we were able to get a very nice result by repairing and restoring his baseline function of his mitral valve.
After my surgery in March 5th, was my birthday, and I remember all the nurses coming over, and they had said happy birthday. So they asked me, they were like, well, how does it feel having your birthday here? And I said, well, it's like a gift. I had a new heart. Later on, they came in with balloons and cake, and they had a party for me, which was amazing. In 2021, I decided to retire, and I had an opportunity through a friend of mine. He said, because of your background, why don't you come and work for Cooperman? Within 3 months, I started working at security with RWJBarnabas. I tell all my friends, make sure you get checked out. And I truly believe that I probably went to the two best doctors I could have ever met. They were both wonderful. In fact, when I see them in the hospital, I make sure I go to my way and say hello.